In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Rolex Oysterflex Bracelet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly adjust the Oysterflex Bracelet. Keep in mind that the same instructions can also be used for other Rolex watch models, but of course, I'm gonna be focusing on the Oysterflex in this video. So, on the Oysterflex bracelet, the Rolex Glide Lock Fine Adjustment System enables the bracelet length to be adjusted in approximately 2.5mm increments to around 15mm. So to start, open the clasp like this. So you pull on the clasp until it opens, and then you pull on the bracelet to release it from the notch in the rack. So it will be released from this rack here. Once you pull on the bracelet and it is released, the next part is to adjust the position of the bracelet to the desired length. So still using the bracelet, you can position it in the rack accordingly. So drag it on this rack, and you will essentially be adjusting the position and consequently the bracelet itself. Once you reach a comfortable spot, you just click it into place. Then try wearing it and see if it is comfortable. If it is comfortable, then it is going to retain this shape and you will be good to go. Alternatively, you might need to slide it around on the rack until you find the perfect spot for you. And this can be done as many times as you wish. Just open the clasp, take the bracelet off of the notch in the rack, adjust the position of the bracelet, and then lock down the bracelet in place. Afterwards, redo the clasp and you will be able to wear your Oysterflex with the adjustment made. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Rolex Oysterflex Bracelet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.